Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions regarding this specific video or any specific video, please you can always ask your comments on the comment section. So, I remain your host, the legal attorney. Well, I've been off for a while, and I sincerely apologize for that. We'll be talking more about law and travels on this page from now. So I have been getting questions from some students who are actually trying to apply for schools in Lithuania, and they have been asking me how they can proceed with their South African visa application. And I'm making this video especially to students who are applying for Lithuanian schools and want to have a good application and get their visas to South Africa. So also what I want to say is I am not a visa officer, neither am I going to approve your visa for you. But once you put in a good application, you surely will get a visa to South Africa. The Lithuanian embassy is in South Africa. So I'll be putting the South African embassy website on my comment section. You can actually go there. You can make your South African application yourself. Now, what are the documents? I won't be talking about the forms, but first of all, once you click on the link, you have to register using your passport number, and your email. Then you put in a password. So a verification mail will be sent to your email for you to verify. And once you verify, you can log in and create an application. While creating the application, they are going to ask you some questions. It is like a form. You're going to fill the form, and it is in your best interest to give the exact details or give true details, because those details are recorded, and if they are false, it might lead to rejection of your application for your visa, so you might not get a visa. So it is in your best interest to actually give the true details and facts of everything you are asked. So I'm going to make a video as well regarding that application, regarding what you are going to fill, the forms and everything. I'm going to make a video concerning it, but a few questions I would remember that were asked. They will ask you about your parents details, where you live in your country of residence or in Nigeria, where you are going to stay when you get to South Africa, questions like that, how much you have in your account. So I'm just going to list a few documents. These documents ensure that you get, you can get a visa. First of all, on the documents, if your parents are no longer alive, there's what we call a death certificate, which is normally issued. So if your parents are no longer alive, you would need to show their death certificate that my parents are no longer alive. If it is just a single parent that is not alive, you have to show your parents' death certificates, the one that is not alive, the deceased parents. Secondly is flight ticket reservation. You have to make reservations of your flights, that you're traveling to South Africa so dates. Maybe on that date you can there are actually sites that you can book without making payments at first. So when you get the visa, you can make payments. But even if you don't see sites like that, and probably you want to make payments, because there are some people that they would want to actually book their flight in case the embassy wants to confirm, it is better you check their refund policy to ensure that if you don't get a visa, they can refund your money as well. Another thing I want to talk about is you have to show if you have had previous travel history. Maybe you have traveled to other African countries, to Europe, to America, to Canada, to Australia, like any previous travel history, to Asia. You can as well show those stamps you got at your port of entry, and or the visas that you were issued. You can update them while filing your application. Then another important document is the purpose of your visits. You have to state what you are going there to do. In fact, this is very, very important. It is important while traveling. You should know the purpose of your visit. Where are you going to? Which hotel are you going to be staying? Where are you going to visit? You should get those details handy. You should know those details. So you have to state the purpose of your traveling. Another document that is vital is what they call that proof of funds, which has to be in your bank account. Whether it is self-sponsored or you are going to use a sponsor, the money has to reflect in your account or that of your sponsor's account. It is always advisable, if you're going to South Africa, to at least get an amount that is up to 5,000 US dollars. So that is actually a necessary document that you are going to add. And of course, you need to have a passport as another document, because before creating your account on that site, on the embassy site or the embassy page, you have to show your passport number. So if you don't have a passport, there is no way they're even going to allow you to register on the embassy website. So you have to have your passport. You are going to scan the data page of your passport and you are going to upload it. Now, another document again that's very important is what we call yellow fever card. That yellow fever card, you can go to the hospital. Sometimes I think you can also get it at the airports, but it is better you get these documents down before traveling. So your yellow fever card, you can go maybe to any airport. You can ask, how can I get a yellow fever card? Or you go to a hospital close to you. Although I think there are some countries that are exempted from showing that yellow fever card. So you also do your due diligence. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions on how to go, you can also put it inside the comment section. Thank you.